about when kids are lacking confidence and what you can do about it. Confidence is huge. Kids don't want to take risks. They don't want to try something they've never tried. So is it confidence or is it courage? I like to think of courage coming before confidence. Because when you have courage, it could be something as simple as you're trying broccoli. I don't like broccoli. I'm not eating that, miss. But if you have the courage to try it, even if you hate it, believe it or not, you're going to build some confidence. And you might even, try a lima bean. Well, lima bean might be going too far, but you know where I'm going there. Courage is really going to help our kids to build confidence. So those activities that you might see in bigger programs that have things like rock climbing and ropes courses and kind of structured activities that build courage, they are essentially building confidence. So putting things into the classroom that's going to have them try something different, going to have them be okay with failing at it the first time. But if they can see like, I did that today all by myself, you're going to have confidence. So I believe before confidence has to come courage. Thanks for watching. Remember to hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment.